Hey everybody, today we're going to rewrap this wing, this APR GTC 300 wing, and it's a 61 millimeters long, so we're going to take off the end plate. 61 inches long, my bad, 61 inches long. So we're going to take off the wrap and rewrap it because, as you can see, there are imperfections that are peeling. It's because we stretched it with a four foot wide piece of vinyl, but today we have a 5 foot by 2, so it should be better and less stretch, therefore less tension. First step, we have to remove the end plates. I'm using an HW3. Once the end plates are taken off, next step is to peel it off, look for anything that's bad, and just start ripping. Watch this. The next step is we're going to cover up the areas that need knifeless tape so that we can cut the vinyl properly and it'll be straight with the line. So we're going to carefully line up the edge of the green knifeless tape to the edge of the white paint. That way it overlaps, and that way if the vinyl was to stretch, the white paint would not be exposed. Okay, there. This next step, we're going to do the front of the wing. If you can see, there's 2 layers of carbon fiber. We're going to cover up over the carbon fiber. That way it looks like a one piece. Knifeless tape is applied. All right. I am failing at this.
6.5 hours later.
Struggling.
1 eternity later.
Got it. Yay! Alright. I'm gonna apply the vinyl as so, and then just hold the, keep that down, hold it.
Oh! It pinched.
It's fixable. So peel this back. Go over that side, and go on this side. I'm gonna lift the vinyl up and spread it evenly. Now with the application card, start applying from the middle. The next part, we're short an inch, so we're gonna have to pull it, lift up, and stretch it in. Come here. We're stretching it in. At least give it like that much. Slight stretch. Lift up one vinyl, just like so, and push the air out. Because if you don't, then the adhesion from the vinyl will keep it shut, and you don't want that. Like that, you'll make lines. So all you gotta do, lift up, pull it, and voila, it's gone. The knifeless tape is in the way slightly, so you might get this issue with knifeless tape. So a good thing to do is to hide this knifeless tape underneath the wing, just like that, like so, and then continue on. So here, we're gonna use this heat, stretch over. Slight opening so that the vinyl string or the knifeless string can go into that opening. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Like so. Grab it at a 45 degree, pinch it, and at a 45, keep going. Not up or down, parallel to the ground. And how you do this part? You rip it off.
Ooh! So satisfying!
That is how you use knifeless tape. Now we're gonna do the other side. As you use knifeless tape, remove the green residue. And then run your finger over and make sure it is sealed in pretty good. Look at that, folks. Pretty good. Look at that, folks. Pretty good line.
Later that same evening.
Yeah,
6 months later.
for the edges, all you need is just a very tiny bit, about 1/8 of an inch. The edges are good, so now we can put the end plates back on.
I can't do this. I'm not mechanically inclined. How tight is it supposed to be? Really, Barry? You could have
All you have to do.
Really?
The end plates are on. Now, as she builds, is going to reveal her wing.
Barry.
Oh my god. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Lines are good. Make sure you use knifeless tape. Make sure there's no air bubbles. Shouldn't be. And we're good to go. But if you did seriously, if you did learn something, you liked what you saw, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. My name is Barry, and I'm one half of the Hwang Bros. I'll see you in the next DIY vlog.